Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I'm going to teach you how to make fondant bricks. I have a small fondant roller, I have some brown fondant that's already rolled out, and then I have a template, a brick template that we're actually going to use to make the bricks. So after I've rolled out my fondant, I'm going to take this template that you can purchase at any cake supply store. I'm going to place it down on the brown fondant, and I'm going to gently but firmly roll the template onto the fondant, and that's going to give us the impression that we're looking for. So I'm going to push and roll. You want it to stay on the fondant. You don't want it to move around, because then your bricks will be skippy and they won't be exactly the way you want them. Next, I'm going to cut around the template and get rid of all the excess fondant. And as you can see, I'm just using a regular kitchen knife. I'm going to remove the template, and now we have bricks. Again, my name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and I just taught you how to make fondant bricks.